let you know, I bought also this music player MT487 motorcycle device. It's very nice and good sound. Okay, it will go on my handlebar. I will make a video then to show you how it works. And just you have 3 cable. It goes with this. So please don't cut like stupid people I saw on internet. They cut this to take this out. You don't have to keep this. Maybe you will need in the future, and you have this already. So just you need to remove it from here, and you keep it. So this green go to the negative. This red go to positive with the fuse, and the black goes with the switch turn on bike ignition. Or if you don't want, you put them together, but the best is to put this on your ignition, the black one. Okay, this is the MP3 Bluetooth radio mini station with 2 speakers. I'm gonna install it between these 2 bars of the handlebar. Hope it fits good and work. I can't put this down because of the clearance with the tanker. Anyway, it will be here like a sport bike. It will make like sport bike bar here. Okay, so also I took this from bicycle mounting for water bottle holder, and I cut some part of steel and make it. So okay, now I mounted my sound system here. Anyway, it's not finished because from this side it's nice anyway, but from this side it's hard to look at my speed. I have to go a little bit down. I will see if I can change, put it in another way. Okay, now I present you. Last time I used this, okay, for a water bottle holder of the bicycle. I have this another one. It's nice too, and maybe it fits better around this 25 millimeter the diameter. Okay, so this goes like this. You can put like this also. So in the future you can hold something like that. Okay, now I relocated the sound system, the speaker a little bit above. So now when I drive, I sit like this. I can see my speedometer, odometer, neutral position, everything. Because before it was more in the middle, so it was hard. I had to do like this to see. So now it's better. Okay, so just the final position. So I put those. I turn this. It was in the opposite, so now I put up and I did like this. So this is the final position for me. For now I bend it a little bit like this, so it's curved. It's curved like this. And okay. Okay, now we are on the side of the ignition. Here is the ignition, okay? Okay, from here is the ignition, okay. So there is red wire and orange. The red wire go through a fuse, go to the battery. When you activate, it goes to the orange, and then orange give to everywhere. So, and the red is like positive and the orange for the ignition. So I will plug the red of this on the red side, on the orange on the orange side. It will be the black, where is it? The black here. Okay, here you have all of them. So the black will go on ignition, so on orange, red on red, and the green on the ground. Okay, if I touch the ground, in here where there is already a cable of ground, I put the wire in good place. I will plug them back there and start the ignition. So from down here there is all the control, and you can open this and you can put a USB device, easy to plug. Okay, when it's plugged now, okay, so it will recharge also my phone, so it's good. Now I put the flash just to show you the different button. Okay, and okay, if you open here to see good inside, you can see here you can put also auxiliary. You have a plug, okay, in here to put sound jack. Okay, and on this side you can put also a mini SD card inside, you see here. So it's up to you. If you put here SD card, it's better, because after you can close all, it will read directly your card. So just fast, how works this? You can put the radio. Now I'm underground, so I won't put the radio. I just here plug now a USB device, or you flash memory, or you can put with the Bluetooth on your phone. So you put your phone in your pocket and you just push here and here. You can put the volume up, and at the same time, if you push just one push, it will go to the next track or the back track for you. I connected my Bluetooth phone in here. So now I put Bluetooth.
Only God can judge me, that right? Only God, nobody else. Nobody else. Oh, you get me? I've been in it ever since I was invented. That's cause a nigga living. My record's real vintage in history, niggas. You be the witness.
Okay, now just to show you, I made this to put on the sound system. Okay, just to cover it when it will be so maybe too rainy, or if I don't use, just to make like this time. From something I cut. And I put some special glue. Now I put also this scratch zip, so this can go here when it's too rainy. I put all around like this. Now I do with one hand, so it will be harder, but even with one hand you can put it like this. You know, okay, it's not well fit. Just I put it fast now to show you just how it goes. Just to make like a BMX bar or a sport bike bar. Anyway, to hide and to protect.